Horses out of Senior Cricket gets away immediately, moving up Luna Rosa, my cup of tea, Big Bang Bong, then followed by Don Alejandro, Snurp, and Manila's Gem is the early trailer. Into the turn they gallop, we have Senior Cricket by Ralenka, Luna Rosa in second, alongside third now is my cup of tea, Snurp is racing in fourth, and in fifth comes Big Bang Bong, Don Alejandro and Manila's Gem trails the field by about 8 to 9 lengths of the pace. We've got Senior Cricket moving up on the outside now is Luna Rosa, my cup of tea, also joining them. Big Bang Bong in fourth, then comes Snurp, Don Alejandro and Manila's Gem. Luna Rosa takes the lead, moving up my cup of tea now on the outside. Running by the rail, Senior Cricket, Big Bang Bong in fourth. As the fields turn for home, Luna Rosa moving up my cup of tea, Big Bang Bong, Dalarin sa Senior Cricket. As they come down to the last 150, and it's still Luna Rosa, Viola Link, my cup of tea, running by the rail, Senior Cricket. But it's still Luna Rosa, Senior Cricket, my cup of tea, Manila's Gem, Big Bang Bong, and finally, Luna Rosa, Manila's Gem, Big Bang Bong. Then comes my cup of tea, Senior Cricket.